Most beginners burn their wealth not because of bad stocks but because of poor decision. If you are entering the stock market without knowing these 5 deadly mistakes, then you are walking blindly in a minefield. Let's fix that before market teaches you the hard way. First one is panic action during market crash. One of the most common mistake beginner make during the market crash is reacting with the fear. When the price start falling, many new investors get scared and take decision in hurry. This usually happens without proper understanding whether the company is still strong or not. Taking action during the falling market usually means that you are doing it at very low prices, which can lead to a bigger losses. This is because emotions like fear take over and the logical thinking goes away. But it is important to remember that market ups and downs are part of the investing. Taking decision in panic without full knowledge can lead to a regret later. Instead of reacting fast, it is better to stay calm, learn more about the company and taking the long term mindset. So the simple idea is avoid fear based decision, focus on learning, not to react on every market move. This habit helps in becoming a better investor over time. Next one is stopping SIP or long term investment in bear market. During COVID-19 pandemic, I made a big mistake. I stopped my all regular money plans because I got scared. The market was falling and the news was everywhere with full of fear. But the war did not end. Things started getting better and market got bounced back. That's where I realized that how situation can change quickly. If I had just continued with a small amount, the result could have been very different and it created balance automatically. Later I noticed something surprising. After a few years, the value changed in just one single day was more than that what I used to put. That's where I understood the power of staying over the years. Next one is trying to time the market. One of the most common mistake people make is trying to guess the perfect time in the market. Many try to predict when the market will hit the lowest point, thinking that this is the best time to put all the money. But the truth is the market is move on its own way. If someone puts a big amount by guessing the bottom and the market drops even more, it can cause a lot of stress. The overall money picture can get affected. When this happens, the people often lose control and confidence and start taking emotional decisions instead of thinking calmly. That's why trying to time the market perfectly can be tricky. No one knows the exact bottom and the top. Next one is ignoring risk management and position sizing. Many people look at how much they can get, but they forget to think about what could face if things do not go well. This is the big mistake people usually do. Being prepared and careful is very important, especially when the market keeps move up and down. One common mistake is put all the eggs in one basket. If that one area does not do well, it can affect the whole plan. That's why need to spread the eggs across different area. Another thing is if something dropping too much, waiting and hoping for it to bounce back. That can make the situation worse. Taking the decision based on the business condition, like the case of Yes Bank. Next one is getting influenced by noise and checking portfolio daily. Checking portfolio daily can make you panic and take wrong steps. Apart from that, Nicholas Darvas, Warren Buffett, and many other investors ignore the news and follow the simple rule using chart and fundamentals. If you want to track the portfolio using Google Sheet, please let me know in the comment below. I will provide the link. So these are the 5 biggest mistakes that trap the beginners in the stock market. If you can avoid them, you are already ahead of 90% of new investors. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to Trading with Hariom for more in-depth analysis. And please let me know in the comment below which stock you would like me to next analyze. We'll back in next video. Till time, happy investing.